And we begin with that Jehovah's Witness congregation facing allegations of sexual abuse. Good evening, I'm George Mallet.
And I'm Stephanie Gorin. By now, the story might sound familiar, but this time it involves Jehovah's Witness church and its congregation in Bellows Falls. The church and its national elders today hit with twin lawsuits stemming from alleged sexual abuse of children. WPTZ's Stuart Ledbetter is in Burlington with the details on this case. Stu, what can you tell us?
Well, Stephanie, today documents filed here in federal court in Burlington on behalf of a young Vermonter who accuses a church representative of essentially raping her when she was a very young child, further accusing church elders of a cover-up.
He waited for the room to clear out, and that's when the abuse started.
Miranda Lewis of Chester says she was only 4 when a man named Norton True, a ministerial servant at her Jehovah's Witness church in Bellows Falls, started to molest her. Says he'd been molesting her sister, Anessa, too. And when their mom found out and confronted church elders...
My children were not protected, and they were not supported, and they were pretty much discarded after the abuse occurred.
Now, 20 years later, in a Burlington law firm, the family announced it's filing suit against Norton True, the Bellows Falls Church, and its national parent, the Watchtower Bible and Tract Society of Brooklyn, New York.
The Jehovah's Witnesses have a policy.
Erwin Zalkin is Miranda's attorney.
A policy that is grounded in a code of silence.
But Zalkin and Vermont lawyer Jerry O'Neill say they are ready to fight, say they will show the Jehovah's Witness Church was more concerned with protecting its image than protecting its kids.
We don't know how much they knew about this particular individual and what they covered up.
Miranda says the abuse triggered depression and anxiety that continues to this day. Asked why it took so long to come forward.
I'm actually a really private person, and there's also that fear of being so public about sensitive issues, and I just really didn't know it was an option until this year, and I decided to, do it. Like, I think it's important that this stops.
No one answered the door when we stopped by at the Bellows Falls Church, but we did find Norton True in Winthrop, Maine. He said he had no comment. Now, we also reached out to the Jehovah's Witness Church headquarters in Brooklyn. A spokesman there referred us to their legal team, but those folks never got back to us. But Attorney Zalkin says this is a big problem for the Jehovah's Witness Church. He plans to file suit tomorrow in Connecticut, says he has a handful of similar suits in the pipeline going after a church which has acknowledged assets of at least $1 billion. We're live outside the federal courthouse in downtown Burlington tonight. Stuart Ledbetter, WPTZ News.